this. So we're gonna do crypto options. Let me move this out of the way now. And I'm gonna share screen on Zoom to desktop one. Cool. So we are looking at this. I've got, okay, let me just get it wire. So 5500 on ledgerx.com. This is a platform to trade crypto options. So far, it's just Bitcoin and Ethereum. For Europeans, there's a platform called Deribit. So now, first I'm doing my calculations, right? So I'm looking at two options. There's a short-term kind of safe play. There's the December 1500, deep in the money. I've got intrinsic value on that guy. 92 delta. So it is trading. It's not much open interest compared to the other ones, but the highest bid is 1582. Lowest ask is 2045. So what is that? That is 1582 plus 2045. This divided by 2. So 1815 will be the mid price, and that's the most I will pay for this option. So 1815. Oh, it went up. 1815. Dang. Why did it go up? So the market maker is doing a terrible job, by the way. He's not pricing these things correctly. Okay, so next, I believe Ethereum will hit anywhere between 10 and 20,000 this bull market and this cycle, right? So that cycle could end as early as this December or sometime in 2022, and I think the first half of 2022. So for that, I just went out to the furthest one, right? If we had one in July, one in August, I would have gotten that. But looks like we have June, 10,000, 2022, and the bid and ask spread is 390, 504. So again, 390 plus. Also, why did the guy make it 504? Like, dude, it was 500 before. I gonna up at $4. So that's 447. So basically, it was 455. So when he basically upped it to 450. So then I just combine these two, and this is just telling me how much I have left. So this is for one call in the December 1500, and this gives me cash for 8 calls in the June. Now that's first step number one. You want to do the math on what you're looking at. Now I'm looking at the charts on Bitcoin. Here, let me get rid of the oscillators. So let's go to the 4-hour on both. ETH left, Bitcoin right. I noticed this double top here on the 46,773 on Bitcoin, which means it's going to break down, and then it's going to drag Ethereum down with it. So I did sell 2 ETH at 3,200 something yesterday. So this actually worked out perfectly. That doesn't happen too often. So I sold the ETH here for the cash 40 options. So now there is a bounce here from 3,000. So the question I'm trying to figure out is, does Ethereum get back to 3,000? So look, we pull up the oscillators here, right? So MACD is still red, RSI is trending down, stochastic is at the bottom at the moment. But let's zoom in, right? 15 minutes Bitcoin and 15 minutes on Ethereum. So big sell candle on the 15 right there. So this MACD is about to flip bearish. RSI still heading down, stochastic still going down. I think this is going lower. So I'm probably gonna wait like another 4 hours, guys. But just so you guys can see this, I'm gonna go ahead and buy 1 June call. By the way, so how this works, right? Because it's with a call option on stocks, like one call option on Tesla represents 100 shares. So to equal 1 ETH, you need 10 contracts, which makes your underlying 1 ETH. So that's the price. Bitcoin's a little bit different. So if I click on Bitcoin, I believe I need 100. Yeah, let me just click this guy, and I'm gonna say 100 contracts. Is 100 contracts here equals 1 Bitcoin underlying. So, and they do physically settle crypto too. So you can physically settle, or meaning they'll give you Bitcoin and ETH if you take assignment. if you get signed and if you take assignment. So 100 for BTC, and I think these are called like one mini Bitcoins. So 100 mini Bitcoins equal one Bitcoin, and I guess 10 ETHs or 10 mini ETHs equal, um, yeah, one ETH. Yeah, right. So I'm gonna get one of these, or I'm gonna buy 10 contracts. Um, and what did I say the mid price was? It was 450, but let me double check right now. Actually, let me refresh. Clicking June 24th, and actually, let me see if I'm streaming this. Let me go to YouTube real quick here. Oh yeah, it's going. Sweet. Oh, cool, it's going. All right. So, all right, let me look double. I don't think the prices move. So 390 the bid plus the ask. That divided by 2. That's mid price 450. All right. So I'm gonna get 10 contracts at 450. So I'm gonna buy long. Confirm. Boom. So now I've replaced it, right? So now let's see how the market maker reacts. So my order is there. That's the fair mid price between the bid and ask, and I'm gonna let that sit there. I'm gonna let that sit there, because I don't need to get greedy, because I could see ETH getting back down to 3,000, and I could see Bitcoin dragging this down. So yeah, yeah. Now, yeah, this is definitely not as speedy as Tastyworks. All right, let's look at the December 1500. Yeah, this has not moved either. You know, I should pay attention to the 5,000. So you got 6,000, almost 7,000 open interest, 160 volume today. Still, that's a pretty big spread. So let me just take a screenshot of this, so I'll know if how often those prices update. Cool. Any? I was gonna say any questions, but yeah. My order is sitting there. Positions, no positions. I got one open position down here, which is ETH, yeah, June 24th, 2022, $10,000 strike, long, 10 contracts for one ETH. And you know what? Let me put in my second order. So 450, this is against myself. So 450 plus 404, 504. And the mid price is 477. So 480. So let's do 480. So first I did 450. And it's good to write this down, right? So 1, 2. So now I'm gonna buy another order, right? Because I have cash for 8 of these. So let's do 480. I'm gonna buy long. Confirm buy long. Boom. So now I've got 2 open orders there. And let's see if we're basically making the market, guys. So here we go. What an even number, right? 495. I think I'm good with that. So 495, because you always want to go higher than the mid, so your order will get filled. All right, so let's buy one more. We'll put in one more order. 195. And I like this because this is under 500. So, boom. So that bid, that ask was still at 504, but boom. I'm just gonna let these sit here, guys. See here, I traded. Oh yeah, I traded Ethereum options last year. When did I close these? ETH $10,000 call. December 2021. I closed this for profit. So I closed these guys for profit. Dang, I did a lot of Ethereum. I thought I had some Bitcoin in here. Yeah, I was trading Ethereum, $5,000 call. I even had a put here. Wait, hold on. Maybe these are not all mine. Trade blotter. ETH. Okay. Yeah, actually these are not mine. These are okay, let me go up here. I think these are everyone's trades. So, right, let's look at this. Yeah, Bitcoin September this year, $20,000 call. Trade, yeah, okay. So these are everyone's trades that are coming in. Somebody bought December this year 50,000. Quantity 40. So that is not a full Bitcoin. That's under half a Bitcoin. So cool. So this is it's a platform. So it looks like you can do like the more advanced sell side trades. You can do strangles, verticals. I definitely wouldn't do those here. I wish you could do them on Tastyworks because that's the best. Tastyworks and TradeStation. Those are really good platforms for trading options because you can manage complicated trades easier. But cool. All right, so I still have my 3 open options orders. So I'm gonna let that sit there, guys. I'm gonna let the 4 hour play out. Looks like Bitcoin is continuing to go down in the 15-minute. Ethereum too. So the lower that goes, then I'll get my price under $500. I might even close some and move them lower if I need to. But yeah, cool. So with that, let me stop sharing and end this recording.
Recording stopped.
And cool. All right, so that Zoom is getting saving that. And I'm still streaming this. All right, I'll go ahead and end the stream. Oh, wait, hold on. It looks like a little breakdown going on. Let's go to 5 minutes. Uh-oh. That's a girthy 5-minute candle right there. I think I have 1 second. Let me do. I do have 1 second. Let's see. Let's watch this on 1 second. Let's see what happens. $44. Yeah, it's this is oh.
Hey, Leon, quick question.
Yeah. What's up?
On the option, you put 10 contracts. The price that you put, like 450, is it gonna be 450 or 450 times 10?
No, so the price that's listed here, this represents 10 contracts. So you could buy one contract. So you could buy, like, you could buy the June 10,000 one contract. That's only going to be $50.
Okay, so the price is for 10 contracts.
Yes, because 10 contracts represent one Ethereum.
Gotcha.
Yeah. And on Bitcoin, it's 100. So let me put that. Oh yeah, so 1, 2, 3. All right. We'll see how that. Yeah, this breakdown is going. Oh, we're definitely hitting 3,000. Yeah, breakdown happening, captured on the second time frame here. Yeah, 44. Okay, let's zoom back out to 4 hours real quick here. Bitcoin, if it tests 43, I think we head back to 42. So let's go back to ETH 4 hour here. And this is fine, guys, because look, all right, so we'll zoom out in a second here. So yeah, even though this breakout, this pullback is fine and it's expected and it's healthy, because let me go out to the daily, right? You need this kind of like, you need the price action to relax for another run up, right? So Bitcoin, right? The past 22 days, we've had 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red days out of 22. Ethereum looking much stronger than Bitcoin. We have 4 red days out of 22. So we need some kind of breather. Like ETH could even get back to 2,800. Like if 3,000 breaks hard, I'm looking at 2,842, and that's probably when I'll get the December 1,500. And Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin. I mean, this strong support here though, 42,291. So we'll see though. We'll have to see how the next 4 hours play out. And with that, may the